In this tutorial, we will show you 4 different ways to import pictures from SD card to computer, including Windows PC and Mac. With detailed, step-by-step instructions, I believe you can quickly accomplish what you want to do. Part 2. How to transfer photos from micro SD card to computer with SD card recovery. In addition to photos on your SD card, other data like videos, music, and documents, no matter existing or deleted, can all be transferred from SD card to PC or Mac computer by using Mobiconductor for Android. Step 1. Get your SD card inserted into the computer. Insert SD card. Open Recovery Tool. Select SD card recovery. Step 2. Scan your micro SD card with the program. Choose card drive. Click Next to scan. Step 3. Start to transfer photos from SD card to computer. After scan, select Photos, Preview. Tick desired photos. Click Recover to save on computer. Part 3. How do you import pictures from SD card to computer with autoplay? Enable autoplay. Start Settings Devices Autoplay switch on. Insert SD card. Using reader or slot, autoplay opens. Select Open Folder to view files. Browse. Drag photos to computer. Part 4. How to download pictures from an SD card to Mac using Photos app. Insert SD card into Mac slot or use card reader. Open Photos app. Click SD card's name on sidebar or File Import. Select Photos. Photos appear. Click Import all new photos or Import selected to import to Mac.